Now, how do we solve for x here? We have x to the power 4 minus x squared equals 72. Solution. Now, given x to the power 4 minus x squared equals 17. Now, what we will do here, since we can form x squared here, because x squared or squared is the same as x to the power 4, because when we have a to the power n, all raised to the same as a to the power 2n. So we have this one as that, minus x squared minus 72 equals to 0. So this one is now in. Okay. Now from here, since we have x squared in common, we can take them out. So let k be x squared. So I'll do substitution here, k squared minus k minus 72 equals to 0. So we are back to quadratic. So k squared minus k minus 72. So let's look for the factors here. So we have minus 9, 8. So we have k squared minus 9k plus 8k. So this one is set. When I add, I'll get this. Minus 72 equals to 0. So my first factor, k out, k minus 9 plus 8, k minus 9 equals to 0. So we have k minus 9 and k plus 8 equals to 0. The first answer, k minus 9 equal to 0 or k plus 8 equal to 0. So we have k equals 9 or k equals minus 8. Now let's go back and recall. Since we represented x squared by k, so let's recall. So x squared is k. So the first answer for k here, the first answer for k is 9. Therefore, if k is 9, x squared equals 9. Therefore, taking square root in both sides, x will be plus or minus 3. And the next solution has to do with x squared equals minus 8. So this one will be complex. Okay, so what I will do here is to write this one as x squared equals 8 times minus 1. So I can take square root and I'll get x equals to plus or minus. So square root of 8 times square root of minus 1 plus or minus. So we have 4 times 2. And this one will be I from complex numbers. So 4 is a perfect square. Same as plus or minus 2, 2i. So we have 4 solutions here. We have 3 minus 3, 2 with 2i, and minus 2 with 2i. So these are the solutions to that problem.